Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Marilyn Monroe's pink dress on Dress to Impress. Like her pink outfit, of course. For the hair, I just used this hair here in blonde, EEB F90. I used this one. And then for the outfit, I used these gloves in no fur in this pink color, EA78BD in silk. For the outfit, I did use a VIP dress, but you can kind of suit it to whatever dress you have that's floor length. Select this pink color again in silk. Select this dress in silk and in that pink. Then for the bracelets, I'm just going to layer on these bracelets here. We don't really have a lot, but I'm just going to add these on in all white, and this too in white. And then I'm going to select this necklace from Codes here, this one in white in matte. And that's pretty much it. It is a super simple yet stunning outfit. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!